Hey, it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this ponytail video. My client is, look, I was about to say 100% natural, but she does have color, and I know some people don't consider people natural if they have color, but yeah, she has color. But she's natural. She's a natural color client, and she actually does pretty well with her color. As you can see, she's had her hair braided, so she needs her ends clipped, but I'm not clipping her ends today. So I am going to, because she was like, can I come in for a quick ponytail? I guess she just needed for the weekend or something. And I was like, girl, I got you. So I am using beeswax on her hair, and that is just to gather the hair. And like I've done in my other videos, what I do is gather it, but gather and layer it. And so instead of trying to put all the hair up in one thing, because y'all know with our natural hair, that is like the biggest job ever, trying to put all that hair up, you know, in one swap. So you just build it, and you build it up until you get your ponytail where it needs to be. I'm sorry about my video placement. My last two videos been like this. My video placement been so off. So I guess I took a rubber band out for some reason. I think because I saw I kind of wanted it a little bit higher. So I'm going to put it higher. So continue to watch as I build and build this ponytail. Like I said, so sorry about the camera. But all I'm going to do is keep taking sections up and up until I get all of it up into the ponytail. And then she brought a drawstring, so I'm going to clip it on and wrap that little piece of hair around to, you know, at the base. I wrap that piece of hair around. I'm going to have to spray some black spray on her hair because she bought a black ponytail. So I didn't want to let her leave with color in a jet black ponytail, so I just put a little spray on it. Excuse me, y'all, sorry. Put a little spray on it, and she was out the door. So please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am Naturally TC, coming at you with these natural hair videos. I have something I'm going to do on myself. I've been rocking my natural hair a little bit more than usual, so I'm going to create some videos and show y'all how some easy to do hairstyles, because I don't be doing much, but they still look cute. All right, I'll see you soon.